In order to check your spring wire externally, if in case you have an E4 error code, first thing you do is remove the 4 screws for the display cover. So you have 2 up here and 2 by the buttons. So you're going ahead and unscrew those. You can just take the display cover off. You can take the LED light cover off as well. And then you will have another 2 sets of screws on the display. So you are going to need to remove those as well. You can try this if in case you have an E4 error code or your display does not turn on. You can go ahead and remove the display. Unplug the colored wires, which is the 2 sets here on the right, blue and green, and the 3 sets of wires here. You can do that. Grab your new spring wire, connect accordingly. This is pretty easy. There's only a 2-wire connector and a 3-wire connector. Once you do that, you can just be careful with these hall sensors here. Put one in first, make sure the wires are not on the way. Put one in first and the other one. And then what you want to do is make sure, remember, we're doing this externally just to check and make sure everything's running fine. So we're going to put your first screw back on here. Now, since you are only testing, you do not need to put this second screw down. So then what you are going to do is down at the bottom, what you're going to do is connect it to the controller. So as you see, I already have it unplugged here. So what I'm going to do is connect it down here. Look for the arrows. The arrows have to be pointing at each other. Once it is connected, you can go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, this one I'm just having a little bit of an issue with the LED display. But you can see here, you can lift up the scooter and check if the scooter is running fine. And you may or may not have an E4, but this one is basically fixed.